Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a group chat on character.ai. So if you guys would like to go ahead and create a character over on the character.ai application or on its website, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So if you'd like to go ahead and basically create a group chat on the character.ai website, it's going to be pretty easy because all we need to do is to go ahead and just tap on this create option, and we could actually go ahead and tap on create a room. And what this room is, it's basically somewhat like a group chat where you guys could have multiple characters on your group chat or on your room. In this case, what we need to do first is to go ahead and just name our room. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just name it test. Next, we could now go ahead and add some characters, and you can go ahead and add the characters that you have created by your own, and also choose the characters that have been made by other users as well. Now, these are also the top characters that has been made by other users, so it's a lot of fun, of course, since we get to add them onto our room and have them interact with each other. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose a few ones over here, and I think that's going to be good for me. What we need to do next is to go ahead and enter our room topic, but this is actually optional, and let's try to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and try and tap on create it, and it's gonna go ahead and interact with each other. So that is how you guys could create a group chat over on character.ai. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and well, take care.